Need to change your Red Pocket phone number? Let's start with the essentials. Who's eligible and what it costs. As of September 2025, you can change your number if you have an active Red Pocket prepaid account with at least 1 month of service remaining, and your account is in good standing, meaning no outstanding balance over $10. If you're under 18, parental consent is needed. Keep in mind that international or vanity numbers might not be eligible. Now for the fees. The base fee is $10, which covers administrative and carrier costs and is non-refundable. If you're porting from another carrier, there might be additional porting fees, but Red Pocket typically waives these for internal changes. Don't forget to factor in taxes, which vary by state. Make sure to avoid verification failures, as resubmitting can cost you an extra $5. This information is current as of September 2025, and for the latest details, always check redpocket.com as policies can evolve. First, log into your Red Pocket account through the app or website. Navigate to Manage Account, and then select Change Phone Number. Enter the new number you want. If you don't have a specific one in mind, Red Pocket can provide a random one. You'll need to provide account details for verification, such as the last 4 digits of your SSN or billing address. Next, pay the $10 fee using a credit card or your account balance. Once you've completed these steps, you should receive a confirmation email or SMS. The number change typically activates within 24 hours. For more complex situations, calling 1-800-844-1111 is recommended. Have your IMEI and SIM details ready. Remember, the number is tied to the SIM card, so ensure you have a compatible SIM. Red Pocket's online portal is generally faster than calling, with average processing times around 24 hours.